Hello student, in this video we will learn angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Okay, means what is the sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral. Okay, so to prove what will be the sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral. So first we have to draw a quadrilateral. Suppose this is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. Okay, this is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D, and we have to draw a diagonal. Suppose this is a diagonal BD. Okay, from the vertex B to D, draw a diagonal which divide the quadrilateral in two triangles. Okay, the first triangle ABD and other BCD, and also this diagonal divide angle B and D, angle B in two angles. Suppose this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, and similarly angle B divided in two angles. Suppose this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. Okay, now let us consider triangle ABC in triangle ABD. Okay, in triangle ABD, so we know the sum of angle of a triangle. Okay, the sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So this means the sum of angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Okay, angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Say for this is equation 1. And similarly in triangle BCD, also the sum of all angles. Okay, the sum of angles is 180 degree. So this means angle C plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. This is equation 2. Okay, now adding equation 1 and 2, let's see what we will get after adding equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2. So here this is angle A plus angle C plus angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 plus 180 will be 360 degree. Okay, so this is angle A, this is angle C. Now taking angle 1 and angle 2 together, so angle 1 and 2 taking together, so would be equal to angle B. So this is angle 1 plus angle 2, and similarly taking angle 3 and 4 together, so this sum become is equal to angle D. So we have to taken together means angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 360 degree, and this is angle A, angle C. The sum of angle 1 plus 2 would be equal to angle B. So here we have to write angle B, and from this places angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4 would be equal to angle D equal to 360 degree, and this can be written as angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree. So dear children, from looking this result, we can say that the sum of angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, the sum of all interior angle, the sum of all interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay. Okay, now we shall prove what is the sum of exterior angle of a quadrilateral. Okay, so to prove what will be the sum of exterior angle of a quadrilateral, first we have to draw a quadrilateral. Suppose this is a quadrilateral. Okay, okay, suppose here A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Okay, A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. So we have interior angle. A have interior angle 1. Suppose this is a 2 and this is a 3 and this is a 4. Okay, and here this is the exterior angle of a quadrilateral. Suppose this would be 5 and this is 6 and this is a 7 and this is a 8. Okay, so we know on this side of quadrilateral, the line AB, okay, is stand on side AD. So we have to form linear pair. Okay, so we know the sum of angle is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. Suppose this is equation 2. And similarly at the vertex B, the sum of angle would be equal to the 180 degree. So angle 2 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree. Say equation 2. And similarly from C and D, angle 3 plus angle 8 equal to 180 degree. 3, this is equation 3, and at the vertex D, angle 4 plus 5, angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. This is equation 4. Okay, now adding equation 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have to see what we will exactly get after adding all these 4 equations. So adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. So after adding equation 1, 2, 3, 4, so we will see this is equation angle 1, angle 6 plus this is angle 2 plus angle 7. Okay, plus angle 3 plus angle 8 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 80. This is 730 degree. Okay, 730 degree. The sum of this is 720 degree. The sum of equation 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 720 degree. Okay, so here taken angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 together, and remaining we have made angle 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6, 7, 8 plus angle 5 equal to 720 degree. And we know the sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So therefore the sum of angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 360 degree, plus and remaining this is angle 6, angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 720 degree. This implies angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 equal to 720 minus 360 degree. Okay, 720 minus 360 degree is equal to 360 degree. So the sum of angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 would be equal to 360 degree. Okay, so from this result we can say the sum of all exterior angle of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so the sum of all interior angle of a quadrilateral is 60 degree, and also the sum of all exterior angle of a quadrilateral which is equal to 360 degree. Okay.